Hello everyone. In last class, we have discussed about various cellular adaptations. We know that when cell is not adapting, it leads to cell injury. So we will today in this video we will discuss about what are the main causes of cell injury. With this mnemonic, easily we can remember causes of cell injury. So we will see the mnemonic. Please give our cells no irreversible injury. Means irreversible injury means cell death. Please give our cells no cell death. So this is the meaning of mnemonic. Next we will see one by one what are the main causes of cell injury. Physical agents. Under physical agents, thermal injury, extreme of a temperature, extreme of a heat it leads to burns, extreme of a cold it leads to deep cold. So under thermal injury, and there will be radiation and electric shock. These are the physical agents. Next is genetic agents. Mutation in genes as a consequence of deficiency of a function, it leads to misfolded proteins also. So we will take one example under genetic agents. When an enzyme got mutated, as a result of mutation, the enzyme cannot function properly. So there will be improper function. So it leads to cell also cannot function properly. So there will cause cell injury. So this is the example under genetic agents. Next is oxygen deprivation. Absence of oxygen in tissues. So there will be no oxygen in tissues. It leads to hypoxia. So this is the hypoxia. Next we will see oxygen deprivation. Some symptoms like unconsciousness, and there will be weakness of the person, and there will be respiratory diseases like pneumonia also will cause under oxygen deprivation. Next we will see chemical agents. So we know that glucose is main important to our body, and it is main food for our cells also. But when glucose level is more increased, there will be hypertonic concentration. It causes cell injury. Same like glucose, salt level also will be more increased. Then will be concentration will be increased. There will be cause cell injury. So this is the chemical agents. And one more is cyanide and arsenic. So this also come under chemical agents. Next we will see nutritional agents. When nutrition is decreased, there will be automatically leads to vitamin deficiency also. When nutrition excess is అంటే మన బాడీలో న్యూట్రిషన్ ఎక్కువ ఉండడం వల్ల there will be leads to obesity. Nutrition deficiency, nutrition తక్కువ ఉండడం వల్ల there will be leads to malnutrition. When intake of fats and glucose, అంటే ఎక్కువ ఫ్యాట్స్ గ్లూకోజ్ తీసుకోవడం వల్ల there will be leads to cause some like hypertension and diabetes mellitus. So this is the nutritional agents. Next is infective agents. Here we know that already common infective agents like bacteria, virus, fungi, parasites and protozoa. We know already this. Next is immunological agents. We know that immune system is main important to our body, like it protect our body against some pathogen microbes, but sometimes it will recognize our own cells as a foreign cells, and it will produce some immune response so on our cells. So it leads to autoimmunity. There will be some autoimmune diseases also, so which cause cell injury. So this is the immunological agents. So these are the main 7 causes of cell injury. Thank you.